3 bookmarks. Stored in a SQLite database. Click 1. The visited mark sticks. Quit. Relaunch. The list is still there. That is tauri-plugin-sql with migrations. Schema lives in Rust, runs once per version, evolves with your app. Here is the build. Start from a fresh Tauri 2 React app. On the Rust side, add tauri-plugin-sql with the SQLite feature flag. Other backends exist, but SQLite is the right default for a desktop app. Permissions next. The SQL plugin needs 3 entries through the capability gate. The SQL default unlocks the load call. Allow execute covers insert, update, and alter. Allow select covers your reads. Tighten later with table scoped variants if you need to. Now the migration system. The plugin owns a list of migration structs, each with a version number, a description, and a SQL string. Version 1. Create table bookmarks with the columns your app starts with. ID, URL, title, created_at. This runs once on first launch, never again. Version 2. Alter table to add visited_at. This runs once on the next launch after you ship the upgrade. Existing rows get null, new rows can be populated. Register the plugin with add_migrations. The first argument is the SQLite connection string. The plugin handles the file location under the OS app data directory, atomic rights, and tracking which versions have already run. On the JavaScript side, import database from the plugin. Define a bookmark type that matches the table. 4 pieces of state: the database handle, the bookmark list, and the 2 input values. A refresh helper. Select star, order by id descending, push the result into state. This is the only function that touches the list. On mount, load the database. The plugin resolves the path, runs any pending migrations, returns a handle. Then refresh once to populate the list. Add does 2 things. Execute an insert with bound parameters, then refresh. $1, $2, $3 are positional placeholders, the right shape against SQL injection. Visit runs an update by ID, sets visited_at to the current timestamp, then refresh so the checkmark renders. The view is the inputs row and the list. Each bookmark is a clickable row. The check shows when visited_at is non-null. Empty state. No bookmarks yet. The migration already ran on first launch. The table is in place. Type a URL, a title, hit add. The insert runs through the plugin. The list refreshes. The row appears. 3 bookmarks in the database. Each one is a real row in SQLite, durable on disk. Click a row. Update sets visited_at. The check shows. Quit. Relaunch. The data and the visited state are still there. SQLite plus migrations in Tauri 2. 1 plugin, 3 capability entries, 1 migrations vec that you keep appending to. The plugin handles the file path, the connection, and the version tracking. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Tauri tutorials. drop a comment with questions for Claude to reply, and share with anyone building a desktop app.